Hey everyone, it's Luke here with Account Cloud, and for today's tip, I am going to be showing you how you can upload files to a particular vendor and attach them to a vendor record. So this is especially cool because what you can do is you can upload the insurance requirements for each vendor for your workers' comp insurance and um, insurance information about each particular vendor or subcontractor that you use. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let's go ahead under expenses and we go to vendors, and then let's bring up um, Tim Phillip Masonry. And then if we click on the vendor details tab and make sure that's highlighted, if we scroll down to the bottom, we have this attachments section. And in this attachment section, you can drag and drop any files that you want that can be attached or that will be attached to this vendor. So the next time you go into this vendor record, you will be able to see any documents that you have related to this particular vendor. So, for example, things like proof of insurance and W 9 is another good one to upload here. And then this will keep track of that information for you so that you can see each vendor that has the attachments. And this has been today's tip for QuickBooks Online in your construction company. If you'd like some help with setting all of this up, feel free to reach out to us at Account Cloud, and one of our accounting professionals can schedule a strategy session with you to see what you need in your business and how we can help.